only can you install the hair in a crochet, but you can also do a passion twist. Clap that. Hey Kish fam, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I will be sharing my honest review of the twisted up hair. So this is the deep twist 26 inches long, super long 3x crochet hair, and this is how the hair is looking after the installation process. And this is day 3 of me wearing this style. I did not get a chance to do a video on how I install the hair, but I will be showing you how I have been maintaining the hair since I did the installation 3 days ago, and also how I keep my hair and scalp nourished. So without further ado, we will be jumping right into the video. But before we jump into the video, I just want to say welcome to our new subscribers, welcome to our family. We are so excited to have you treading this journey with us, and we just want to let you know how much we appreciate you. Thank you so much for reposting. Thank you so much for engaging in the comments, even though we have not been consistent, but we just want to let you know that your support is appreciated. So let's jump right into the video. So I have some left over out of the pack. Well, yeah, I have some left over. Now, after I did the installation, the hair was a bit too bulky and I didn't like how it looks, so I had to go back the next day and take out some of the hair. The hair is not human hair, it is mixed, well, it is synthetic hair, it's not human hair. So these are the ones that I took out. So I realized they kind of started tangling. Yeah, let me just put this down right here. And before I forget, they come in different colors. So they come in number 1, 1B, number 2, number 4, and they are listed on the pack, so you can always just go right in and see the different colors on the pack, and depending on the store that you go, then you know they will have various colors that you can choose from. All right, so I did not realize that the washing and maintenance tips were listed right here. So it says washing and maintenance tip: to prevent frizzing while shampooing, apply and gentle massage diluted shampoo to your scalp only. Allow the shampoo to run through the length of your hair, but do not rub the shampoo through your twist. And to dry the hair, you would gently squeeze out the excess water and all those things. And it says that it's made with 100% premium synthetic fiber, and it creates the trendy passion twist style. Okay, so not only can you install the hair in a crochet, but you can also do a passion twist. Clap that. Yeah, so this hair is versatile. Maybe I will try passion twist using this hair, but I would do it super long, so I would have to buy another pack to do the installation. Yes, and it says that it is soft texture, and it has a variety of colors. So outre expression, no go on with myself, not bad at all. So let me just take out the hair out of the pack so that you can see. Take it out of the pack so that you can see. And it came with 3 bundles in there. Yeah, it actually came with 3 bundles in the pack. So yeah, let me just show you. So it came with 3 bundles, so you know you would pull from each bundle, and then I cut one piece of the hair in 2, and then I did the installation. Alright, so wait, oh, it look like some cut everything. It look like I cut all of the hair, you know. Oh my god, see, it start tangle already. But I'll be showing you how I get rid of the tangles and what I do before going to bed. So this is the hair. So this is just a piece of the hair. after I cut it in two, guys, I didn't realize that it tangled so bad, but this is how the hair is looking after I cut the hair in two. You see it, you get little length. See there, you get little length. But if you prefer it taller, then you can just install it. But for that, I think you may need one pack, or no, you would use two packs, because the hair is, as you can see, the hair gives volume. So if you are a girly that loves volume, then you can try it. You can try it. But this is how it is looking, and I just separated some of them. I split in two. So I just hold the hair and I split it in two, and then some of them I split it again. So I separate it again in two, and I install like this piece in my hair. But what I realized is that when I am installing the hair, if you put them too close, then your hair is gonna tend to be a little bit bulky. So when you space them out a bit, then you will get this nice, a little volume, but not too much, right? All right, this is the crochet latch. I'm not sure of the correct name, but this is what I use. So as I said before, I just separated the hair in two, some of them in three. So let me say I separated this set in three. All right, so I separated in three. So I'm just going to be showing you a quick demo on what I did. And I open the latch. If you see rust on it, don't pay no mind, because I have had this latch, the latch, or the crochet needle, whatever you want to call it. But tell me in the comments what's the correct name for it, because I really don't know. I've had it for so long that it actually started for rust, so I need to get another one. So once I open the latch, I hold the hair, ensure that it is even. So it is even, right? And I'm going to take the latch, and I'm going to, let me show you. So this is the hair. I ensure that it is even. Then I take the latch, there's a little hook on it, and I'm going to push it through. So yeah, we're going to put it on it, ensure that it goes through, and I'm going to use my hand to hold it to secure it. Then I'm going to close, right? So once I close, then you're going to push the needle through your hair. Push it through the crochet. All right, let me show you guys. Let me show you. So I'm gonna take the crochet. Do you think put it there? All right, let me put it right here. So I'm gonna take the latch, and I'm gonna push it through like this. Yeah, so you're gonna push the latch. You're gonna push the latch through the hair like this, and then we're gonna be taking the hair. Ensure that the hair is even, and you're gonna place it right where you see the little curve right here, and you're gonna put it on. So you're gonna put it on. You're going to close. Then you are going to pull the hair through. Alright, now once you pull the hair through, you are going to tie it. So you're going to make like a little knot. So I go in, and because of how the hair is, I had to, the hair is a bit slippery, so I made another knot. So I made another knot, and then I just tighten it. And there you have it. Oh, before I forget, after you do your installation, you may have to take a scissors and trim the end part of your hair, because remember, it's not human hair, so you have to trim the hair as you go, so you can shape it up. Like for the front section, it was extremely tall, so I just took a scissors and I just clipped it to actually match the bang at the front. So I'm going to be showing you how I maintain the hair before going to bed and what I use in it. This is how I maintain the hair. So I get a little spray bottle, I add some conditioner in there and some water, I shake it up, and then I take So let me take this little piece of hair right here. So I take this piece of hair. Don't worry about this one, I'm gonna clip it off. Well, let me clip it off before let me clip it before I spray it. I'm gonna pick that up when I'm finished, don't worry. So I take some of the hair, as you can see, it's a little bit tangled right now. Shake the spray bottle and I just spray the hair. I know it's synthetic fiber, but I realized that this really helps with detangling and it also keeps the curls. So see, easy breezy. I just use my hand and separate, and if I feel like it need a little bit more, I go back in again and I spray it. Because I realized that when I just did the hair was extremely frizzy. Now before I go to bed, I take it and I just twist it. I had to pause the video because my background got extremely noisy. I live right near the roadside, so you know every minute vehicle pass. So once I twist the hair, I get a rubber band and I just secure the end of the hair. And I do this, well, since Friday I do this, and I realized that when I got up in the morning the hair wasn't tangled so bad, so I just go back in with my conditioner spray again and just kind of fluff the hair to my liking. But before going to bed, I add my scarf and then I add a bonnet. So I twist up everything. I use like a hairpin to tap the hair so it doesn't unravel, because you know we sleep bad. And then I just cover my hair. As I said, in the morning I get up, I go in back with my spray bottle with conditioner, spray the hair, fluff again. I kind of fix up the little edges. Listen, I really don't know anything about edges. Normally my daughter fixed it for me, but she's not here right now, so I have to do it for myself. Kind of fix up the little edges and thing, fluff the hair and go. Let me show you. I know this is not overnight and I just twist it, but I just want you to see. So once I unravel, see, once I pull it out, the hair just go right back. So that is basically my honest review of the hair. It tangles, but once you find the right conditioner and you put it in a spray bottle with water, then you know that the hair can maybe last for 2 weeks. But for the maintenance process you would have to be ensuring that before you go to bed you spritz it, twist it up, or you add some rubber bands on the end to keep it and tuck it away, and in the morning you just head out and go. You style as you go. Now I really don't like how it looks when I catch up everything in one. See it? The back part of the ear, well, me I go show now. Short and work. So the back part of the hair, you know, perfect. Nobody knows see the back because I'm not really going to be planning to wear the hair up in one. But if you want to catch it up in one, you can catch it up in one. If you want to let it go, if you want to put a headband around it, you just style as you go. So this is my little review of the X-Pression Twisted Up Deep Water Wave hair. And I also keep my scalp nourished and healthy with our hair growth restoring booster. It nearly dropped a while ago. Yes, Kishay's hair growth restoring booster right here. So I just add a little bit to my scalp, because you have to remember that you always have to keep your scalp and hair healthy. And before I install the style, I also moisturize my hair. Ensure that I moisturize my hair with our DIY shea butter. If you haven't watched that video, then please feel free to watch. It is listed on our channel. And if you would love to try our products, you can always give us or send us a WhatsApp message at 876-771-0083. We do not have a website, so we are working on that. Hopefully we're keeping our fingers crossed, and we're trusting God that He will do the impossible for us right now. So maybe by next year or so we will have our website up and running, but we have our WhatsApp catalog. Well, our storefront is there, so once you save our number and open the chat to our name, you can always feel free to scroll. You will see all our products listed there along with the benefits, and that is about it. Yes, for the outre expression twisted up, hearing about twisted up, well, twisted up is another hair that I love. For the outre, for the expression twisted up deep twist 26-inch super long 3x hair. So that is my little review of the hair. That is how I maintain the hair, and I hope I didn't leave out anything. I told you guys the cost, I showed you how I install the hair, I show you how I care for the hair. I told you that it tangles, but once you go in with your conditioner and water, then you are supposed to be okay. I don't think I leave out anything. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and you can try the hair. Yeah, so it's a budget friendly hair. If you can't afford the other expensive hair, then this is a budget friendly hair. 1,600 Jamaican dollars. You can do passion twist with it, you can do crochet style. Oh, and you can do a ponytail as well. So you can catch up your hair in one and wrap the hair around it. So that's 3 styles for you to try. Thank you so much again for watching the video to the end. Stay prayed up. Remember to follow us on all social media platforms, on TikTok and IG. You are already on YouTube watching. Facebook, did I leave out anything? No, at Kishay's Beauty. Until my next video, stay prayed up and go and big up on yourself. Bye.